Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am just going to do a quick unboxing. It's already unboxed, but I haven't really thoroughly looked through it. I just brought it in to warm it up, but I thought I would show you what I got because there's online exclusives that are going to be coming out, and I want to show you some of them that I've picked up. So one of them is this really awesome Latte Love suite of products, and I'm really excited about that. So here's this really pretty ribbon, this brown, I haven't even opened it. I'm going to leave it like that, but it's gorgeous. And then these gems have like a swirl to them. Three different colors, and they are so pretty. Those are going to be fun to play with. Then the stamp set. I'm really excited about that. I love this coffee theme. The sentiments are, hello there, let's catch up. Thanks so much. This one's on me. You're the best part of my day. It even has a cute little coffee bean and a bunch of coffee beans. So we have that. And then the dies. Get these opened up. So you've got a French press here, you've got a carafe, you've got some espresso cups, you've got dies that will cut the stamp here, and this one here will cut this stamp, this will cut these circles, your spoon, it cuts everything in here. This will also cut from this paper, which I haven't opened, but it will cut these mugs on that paper that you could add to your card. So there's that. Let's open the paper. There we go. Okay. All right, the colors, sorry about that. The colors in the paper are Calypso Coral, Early Espresso, Lemon Lolly, Lost Lagoon, Pecan Pie, and Petal Pink. So here's the first page that we saw. These beautiful coffee cups with the designs in the coffee. And then you have this. It's just coffee rings from the mug background paper. That's very nice. We have a sheet of coffee beans, and the dies, there are dies that will cut these out. Oh, that's fun. That's really fun pattern. I like that. I love the colors together with it. Then you've got some different kinds of mugs and little beans that can be cut out of that. You can fussy cut these mugs. Oh, cute little itty bitty like espresso cups and spoons and beans. Oh, that's very nice. Some coffee splatters. This beautiful. That's really pretty. I love that. Oh, this is very nice too. Very nice pattern. And then you've got this pattern sort of is kind of light in the background with these coffee heart decorations. That's really neat. And then we've got this pattern here, and then this cute one with the beans, the Calypso Coral. So there's the paper for that suite, and that's everything that comes in that suite. Okay, so the next thing I got, look at that. That is so cute. You've got your set, it's a cat, owl, fox, bunny, dog. You got a ball, you got a paw print, fish, and a pet bowl. And this shadow one, let's see. Oh, they're reversible. So these are reversible stamps. So you could actually just stamp. I mean, you could stamp this in black if you wanted to, and then get another color, flip it over, get another color, and put that on there. Simple to fussy cut too. They're very simple images. Oh, fun. I had to get this. It was so cute. So Pets and More. That's going to be coming out on online exclusive in March. And then I got this one. I shy away from stamps like this, and I thought maybe it would be kind of fun to play with it and see what we could come up with it. The sentiments are, it's called Encircled in Nature. Here for you. May this year be incredible and filled with possibilities. A huge thank you. You mean so much to me. And, oh yeah, that's way bigger than this. So these images on here are only 75%, because look at the size of these. They're big. You got some beautiful trees that fit in there, some beautiful floral. All of these kind of fit within the curve. And you've got moon and stars, so that's really nice. And this is a bundle. You can get as a bundle. And so the dies. Okay, let's take a look at the dies. Okay, so you can cut out and you can have that border. Oh, that's very nice. Some solid ones you can put in there too. And also this would cut out, I think this would cut out the trees. And you've got one here that will cut out that tree. Let's see which one this empty one will cut out. Oh, I think it's the flowers. So it cuts out the flowers right here. This open die does. And then you got the open die for the tree. And then you've got some more. Look at this beautiful wreath one. Oh, you could cut that out in white and then color those pieces in. Branches and some solid trees for some dimension. This is going to be a fun one to play with. And I usually, like I said, shy away from these because they're kind of intimidating. But it's really pretty, and I thought, why not? We'll go ahead and play with it. Okay, something else. I believe this is part of a set, but I just wanted to get the embossing folder. The set's beautiful that's coming next month, but I really love embossing folders. Look at that. So pretty. It's called Zinnia 3D embossing folder. Oh, so pretty. Super excited about that. So there's that embossing folder. And then they have this other one called Fun Patterns. And they really are fun patterns. Look at those patterns. And these are just standard embossing folders. They're not 3D, but still. Those are big patterns. Those are fun. Okay. And then they added to this month, they added to the celebration items you can get. So from that, I chose this stamp set beside me. I had been eyeballing it. So I went ahead and got that since it was free. This one was free with a 50, I think. And this one's free with 100, the Dragonfly Punch. So, and I've been trying to collect punches because I do use them, especially when I just want to do a quick card. I'm really excited about that. These dragonflies. Super nice. All right, so March, I think it's March, not sure of the date, the beginning of March 2nd or 3rd or something like that. Maybe it's the 4th. The online exclusives will be available for customers. So thank you for watching just a quick unboxing video, and I will catch you on the next one.